We'll do this practice in a lying down position. So find some place comfortable where you can lie down on your back. It could be your bed, it could be an exercise or yoga mat, it could be your favorite carpet. If you like, you can prepare a pillow to place underneath your knees. And just get comfortable and relax into this lying down position. Make any adjustments that you need to get as comfortable as possible. And scan your body for any remaining bits of tension. We want every little muscle to be fully relaxed for this practice. So beginning again with the tip of the toes, relaxing your feet, your ankles, feeling a wave of relaxation coming up into your shins and calves, relaxing every little muscle, every little cell, every little nerve fiber, and traveling up and relaxing your knees, your thighs, your hips and your pelvis. The whole bottom half of your body is completely relaxed. And feel the relaxation traveling up your torso, through your abdomen and lower back, relaxing the supporting muscles in your back, your chest and your upper back, and your shoulders, relaxing your hands and fingers, your lower arm and elbows, relaxing your upper arms, and now your whole body from the neck down is completely relaxed. Continuing the wave of relaxation up through your neck and the back of your neck, the back of the head, relaxing your face, your jaw, allowing your tongue to hang open loosely, mouth open slightly. Relax your eyes and your cheeks, your eyebrows and your forehead. Your whole face is relaxed. Your whole body from head to toe is now completely relaxed. Relax. Now notice the weight of your body, the pull of gravity on your body, pulling it down into the mats, into the bed below you. Feel the sense of heaviness that keeps you grounded and attached to the earth. And now feel your weight decrease. Feel the opposite pull. Feel gravity becoming less. Imagine your bones becoming less and less dense, more hollow. Your bones like an empty shell, hollow inside. Nothing but air and light. Feel your body becoming even lighter. Like styrofoam or a feather. Imagine your body is filled instead of with flesh and blood, but with air and light. Feel this air and light filling up every little corner of your body. And as you are filling with air and becoming lighter and lighter, you feel weightless now. So light, so weightless, that you think you actually are beginning to float a little. Floating up, moving up, hovering above the ground beneath you. See if you can find space between your body and the mat or the bed beneath you. Notice that you're not even touching the ground beneath you, that there is a space between your body and the ground. Now feel this space increase. Feel it helping your body to float upwards, to move upwards even more. And there is no more ground beneath you. There is just more and more space and air. As you float higher and higher. You are completely filled with light and air. Nothing remains but for you to float here blissfully, peacefully. Lighter than a feather, lighter than floating dust. You are simply dust, stardust. Now begin to imagine your form materializing again. The flesh and blood and muscle and bone that makes up your body materializing, and feel the heaviness of that again. The heaviness of your skeleton, your skin, your organs, and the fluids and energies that make up your body's density. As you descend from your airy position, allowing the gravity to pull you back down onto the ground, onto the mat, and once again feeling the pull of your weight down into the earth. And become aware of the room again. Become aware of the space you find yourself in. And allow your body to become active, physical. Begin to move your ankles, your arms, your fingers, your toes. Once again, feeling and experiencing your matter, your mass, your physical form. This form that you find yourself in. And gently open your eyes. And see your own body again. And give it a few moments here, just breathing peacefully. Before you allow yourself to stretch out, bringing life back, sitting up slowly. And as you sit up, re-experiencing your sitting bones, feeling the sitting bones pulling down to the ground beneath you and being supported by the ground beneath you. And once again, thank yourself for dedicating this time to your practice. And see if you go about your day, see if you can reconnect with that floatiness, that airiness, that levity, whenever you feel especially pulled by the weight, the gravity of life or a serious situation, something that pulls you down. Find that weightless part of you. Find the airiness. And bring that lightness to your day, to your situation, and to your interactions with your colleagues and your loved ones, and with strangers.